And you have a huge lanai. Big lanai. You got a little shed out there too.
Wouldn't be difficult to fence this backyard in.
No, half of it's already done.
I know.
Man, they must have some big dogs that have a 6-foot chain link, right?
That's true.
Pool looks okay. Then over here, it's this is the dark room, I guess. What the hell they got in here? Shed. How about that? Yeah, just a little shed.
Yeah.
Mhm.
For all the pool equipment.
Yeah. Roofs looks in good shape. Pool. You already have pavers back here. It's repaired St. Paul, so everything's done. They probably got all the documents for it. So,
What kind of warranty do they provide